Alright guys, today I met up with Vincent and he's taking me up to the Tarsiers today. He also drives in Alona Beach area, his little hubble here. If you guys ever need a ride, I'll put the number here. And if you want to contact him while you're here in Panglao for your vacation. But meanwhile, let's go take a look at the tarsiers. Right, we are going to the tarsier sanctuary. Let's go. Right, after paying for the entry, we wait and go look at a 5-minute video. So after the video, we go on a tour. So this little tarsier sanctuary is different than the one that I went to back in 2012. This one is a guided tour, and the other one I was allowed to roam and take my time. I prefer those type of places where I can take my time and just go by myself. But anyways, this was a new experience, and this is here in Bohol, guys. So think about checking this one out, or if possible, have your tour or your hubble driver or whoever brings you over to the other one as well, and you might like that one better. I don't know. See you guys in the next video.